my channel. So I am getting ready, well, pretty much ready already. I just put my clothes on in this wig, and this is the Hairvivi wig, so it's going to be super fast. So I'm going to see Coco Jones tonight. She has a concert out here in LA at the Echoplex. I believe that's what it's called. I've never been there before, but I'm going with my best friend, and it is at 8 o'clock. I think it's 4 o'clock right now. So yeah, all I have to do is put my wig and my clothes on and I'm good to go. I'm early this time, but this wig is from Hairvivi, and I believe the name is Chase. It's a pretty brown wig, and I'm putting this one on because it's gonna be so freaking quick. Okay, so this is what she looks like. Y'all know, fresh out of the box, beginner friendly, no work needed. And this one has the cap in it. So again, I think you can request to have this removed and you can get the little medical tape strips instead. But this one has the cap in it. And yeah, I'm about to cut this tag off. Oh, and the ends are lighter. I didn't even pay attention to that. So it's an ombre unit. So it's like, what is this? Like a 4 maybe at the top, or 4 or 6, and then it just ombres down. But this is what the unit looks like on the wig head. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Like, when I say Hairvivi bleaches so good, they bleach so good. Probably because people used to talk shit back in the day. But they bleach so good. And because it has the cap already sewn in, I don't have to use my little perfect line, which is the little wax stick you guys always see, or that tape. So this is about to be so fast. I'm about to be so early for once. Look at me. Yeah. So I kind of want to tighten this band a little bit. It feels a little loose. Actually, I need to plug in all of my tools. Okay, hot tools are on. And now I'm going to, what am I about to do, y'all? So I need to cut the lace a little bit. Just about this much. I can remove a little bit of the hair.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait.
So the lace looks so good, and this side is laying super flat, but for some reason this side is not. So you can still get away with wearing this glueless, but why is this side not wanting to lay flat? It's a pretty good glueless though. Like, it's just lifting a little bit right here. But this side is completely down. I'm going to glue it down though because I want that like melted effect. So I'm going to use Old Faithful. But yeah, this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. No nothing. Put it on your head. This is the lace. It's just this side is lifting a little bit.
Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. Every time we kiss, can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you.
Okay, nice and flat now. And now I can go ahead and remove the band and then see what else I need to do. I'll probably put some bigger waves in it, just using my flat iron as a curler. Haven't decided yet.
You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. touch and make me wanna say, damn.
Okay, so I'm about to I'm about to pluck it a bit in the front part because it just looks a little too dense for me.
And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby.
Side parts got me in a chokehold, y'all. So this is what it looks like with the side part and like no additional work, no baby hair, anything like that. But I kind of want to straighten it. I really like the highlighted ends, and I think bone straight it would be really cute. So I think that's what I'm about to do.
So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. All of your love. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. All of your love. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening.
Okay, nice and straight. It actually straightened it really easy. Like that was with pretty much one pass. And now what? Am I done? I want to see what the middle part looks like again.
You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby.
Okay, getting a little greasy. I'm using too much wax because I keep changing the part. So I'm going to use a little bit of Lotta Body. You have to be careful with this because it's like wet. So when you put the steam from anything on it, it could tear your scalp up.
So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me.
I think I kind of like it like this. Like leave these little pieces out in the front. I need to put something right there because it's looking kind of ashy. I think that looks a lot better. I think I'm good with this, but for some reason I want to curl it again with it pulled back like this. I'm not going to do it. I have time. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to leave it like this. I really love this color though. Like I want to dye my real hair like my ends lighter like this. I probably will. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna leave it. It looks good. The hairline looks good. The sides look good. I think I'm happy with it. My little antennas clipped in the back so it's like not completely in my face. I think I'm satisfied. Don't kill me, but this is how I'm ending. Back with the side part, and I added a tiny bit of baby hair that I actually need to fix. See, this is what happens when you give me too much time. I can keep changing stuff. Okay, I think I'm finally satisfied with this. Okay, I'm done for real this time.